Indeed, I mean, the remaining big emitters in Europe for greenhouse gas emissions, as the energy system is already largely transformed, are transport and agriculture. And of course, I mean, transforming agriculture to more climate neutral is a big challenge. And of course, at the same time, the farmers in Europe are struggling with already the impacts of the climate change, water scarcity or extreme heat, etc. So it is a big issue, and of course, I mean, our data is showing that yes, there is a need to also find solutions for agriculture sector, and they can be diverse. And for example, carbon farming, I mean, increasing the organic carbon content in soils can be one solution. But there are also many others, and indeed, at the same time, the farmers need to compete with the accelerating climate change, and also hence react with their new plant varieties and farming methods in this new climate. But I leave, of course, the measures part to the Commissioner and Vice President. Thank you.
Executive Vice President.